everyone, it's Muradyan. I'm shooting another YouTube video. This is one inspired by Nutcracker toy soldiers. And I've got some drum sets, some ornaments, some artificial evergreens with pine cones and some fresh evergreens and pines. I'm doing something fun. If you open this up, you can see this has a little drawer set, and what I'm going to do is probably put floral foam right here. I have to be careful how I put it. Maybe I'll do it in the middle so it balances out. I'm going to do a floral arrangement coming out of there, and I'm going to do this drum set with florals. Not florals, I'm going to do some greens and some ornaments, and then I'm going to do this one. I'm going to show you what I'm doing with it. So let's start with this. I'm going to take a liner, I'm going to flip this over. If this is the first time you're tuning in, I appreciate you. If you continue watching my YouTube videos, I appreciate that. Of course, now I don't have my knife, it's stuck in my pocket. I'm going to cut maybe 1/4 of the floral foam. The floral foam is already pre-soaked. This in a little bit inside, just enough. And then I'm taking my fresh greens. I hope you go onto my community page on YouTube. There's a lot of fun, cool stuff that is different information that is being shared on that. If you haven't visited my website, make sure you do that, muradyan.com. It shows a lot of great events that I do and blogs about what's going on and projects I work on. And I'm announcing, actually, really soon, if you probably already, it's been announced by the time these videos come out, is I am doing an ebook related to the industry. I have snowberries. These are fresh. The only thing with snowberries, if they're out, these leaves dry out. So I usually like to clean them up. I don't like to see dried stems. I'm doing this right here. You know, here, I wasn't gonna use it, but I think I need to use, here. I need a little bit of red berry in here. So this is a pick as well. What I like about the picks is you can take them apart. Use it like this. I'm gonna close this off. Look how cool this looks, right, already. And then I'm gonna go back and work on the drum. I'm gonna take a piece of cellophane again. And then I'm gonna go in and cut this right in the center. And then I'm gonna go back and divide it into 4, that other half, and tuck it right in between so that I don't have to tape anything. It's sturdy enough. So now, since I'm going to use these ornaments, you see this top part, and take this out so you don't see that. Look how cool this is. I'm gonna tuck that in like that. Nothing big deal. Gonna go back in with my fresh greens, clip them, do them in little pieces, like this. You can leave some long, you can cut short, whatever you want. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I've been working really hard lately. Haven't had time to shoot videos. I'm trying to wrap up the holidays. There's some great videos coming up. You'll find inspiration, really, really cool stuff. So the holidays, you'll have some new inspirations to work on. And I'm gonna take one more of this. I like the feathery feel of this. Is there any other ideas that you want to share with me? Please make a comment. I read most of it, not all of it. I try to read out all of it if I get a moment, but I do pay attention and still be able to run a full company, design company. And I'm headed off to a conference. You'll probably see that on social media if you follow me. I'm gonna take these ones as well. Remove the top. These are plastic, these are great. I need a pointy. Now I'm gonna take my snowberries. Again, I'm gonna clean off the leaves. Now you can embellish this if you want. What I'm gonna do is something really pretty cool. This is bouillon. It looks like thin pieces of chains, like metal chains. What you do with this is you stretch it out and then you kind of lay them on top of the arrangement. It gives it an interesting detail. And it gives some movement, your eyes spinning around. Cool, huh? It's all in the details. You know, when the light shines on that, it's a lot more effect of it. It glitters. Doesn't take away from anything, it adds to it actually. I'm gonna now do the other one, which is the Nutcracker soldier drum arrangement. I'm gonna put this aside, or actually I can leave it right here so it balances. And then I'm gonna start with just very simple, right? I'm gonna take this drum set. This is a set of 3. I have the 3rd one in the back, as you can see. So some of it you can use as like a pedestal, some of it you can use as the floral arrangement. You can put candy in it too if you'd like. I'm gonna flip this around. I'm going to take a hot glue gun. I'm gonna glue this on the bottom. Like this. I'm gonna hold on to it, and then I'm gonna probably do a little dab right here on the corner and let it sit for a little while so it gets cool. See, it's already holding it. I'm gonna put this wired bow that I did, a dab of glue right on the corner, like this. And fix the leaves. I'm gonna go back in and do these faux. These are evergreens that are done in faux. See, it's coming together. It's gonna take a bit of time. I think the plastic and the plastic are not adhering to each other for some odd reason. Maybe it's too hot or here. So and I'm gonna go with little pieces. I'm not gonna make this heavy because apparently it's not sticking and gluing correctly. I'm gonna pull these apart and I'm going to glue the drums kind of in a fun way. I'm gonna turn it around and look at it and then add to the pieces. It's really super cool. And look how simple it was. Like, I didn't do anything crazy. I just added some accessories to it just to give it a feeling. You know, different people have different budgets. You wanna make sure that you're hitting the right amount that you want to spend and you're getting the biggest bang for your buck. And look how amazing that looks. I can take the bouillon too in this and work it out in the evergreens like this as well. How cool is this, right? Another cool idea. And I'm gonna clean out the space and put these together, and we're gonna come back to this. Hey everyone, so I'm back, and this toy soldier nutcracker theme came out so perfectly. I mean, the drum sets, the mini ornaments, the ribbon, the artificial product mixed with the fresh snowberries and evergreens. It came out fantastic. If this is the first time that you were tuning in, I hope that you enjoyed the episode as much as I loved creating it. If you're not following me on social media, please do so. There is the links on the corner of the screen. And I wanted to wish everyone a wonderful holiday, and peace out.